Hello, hi. This video is about s- key points and career paths in software engineering. So, what software engineering actually is? Software engineering is one of the branch of computer science that helps in designing, development, testing, and maintenance of software applications. Software engineers apply software engineering principles and knowledge of programming language to build software solutions for users. Let's get on to the key points of software engineering. Software engineering helps in designing and developing computer games, business applications, operating systems like Windows, Linux, etc., network control systems. A career path in software engineering helps in a wide range of opportunities. First one is education. The minimum qualification for a software engineering is a bachelor's degree in the relevant field. Many software engineering engineers pursue a master's degree for advanced roles or specializations. Programming language like Java, Python, C++, or JavaScript is a must. The choice may vary based on the industry and job requirements. Software development tools like GitHub and integrated development environments, uh, a hand-on is a crucial thing. Okay, career paths. So there are five career paths in software engineering. Like first one is software developer or engineer. The second one is software architecture. Third one is project manager, and fourth is technical lead, and fifth one is DevOps engineer. So, what is the role of software engineer? Uh, Software engineer's role is involved in coding, testing, and debugging. Software architecture helps in structuring the software projects and helps in implementation of the software. The project manager manages the software development projects, including execution and planning of the software. The technical lead leads a team providing technical guidance, and the DevOps engineer focuses on the development and delivery process through automation and collaboration. So that PPT was about software engineering and key roles and career paths in software engineering. Hope you like the video. Do like, share, and subscribe. Focus Flix. Thanks.